Welcome to The Audio Programmer, your home for music software development. Whether you're looking to learn with our vibrant community, connect with top talent, or create cutting-edge audio plugins, we've got you covered. Ever since 2017, we've empowered thousands by spreading awareness about this exciting intersection of music and software development. We've connected developers with exciting new opportunities and crafted innovative audio plugins for music producers and creatives worldwide. Here are 3 ways we can help you today. First, our community. Here you can learn and grow with an extensive collection of tutorials, books, and community resources. Join our network of like-minded individuals and elevate your creative journey. Next up, our recruitment services. Whether you're a company that's looking to find the top talent in music tech or a professional that's looking for your next career opportunity, we connect the best with the best. Discover how we can help you build your dream team or advance your career. And finally, our development services. Our world-class development team specializes in creating unique audio plugins tailored to your needs. From conception to completion, we bring your vision to life. Explore our services and see how the Audio Programmer can help you meet your creative and professional goals. Visit our website and join our community today.